Today is Valentine's Day, so that's why we have a Valentine's problem on the board. So what is the last digit of 2 raised to 2026 plus 14? Okay? So para masolve ang problem na to, examine natin ang last digits ng power of 2. So start tayo sa 2 raised to 1. That is 2. 2 squared, that is 4, right? 2 cubed, 4 times 2, 8. 2 raised to 4, 4 times 2, 16. Now, consider natin yung 2 raised to 5, and that is 32. And 2 raised to 6, that is 64. Kung mapapansin natin guys, nauulit lang yung pattern. So, 2, 4, 8, 6. So, last digit lang ang kinoconsider natin. So, 2, 4. So, naulit na. So, ang kasunod niyan ay 8, then 6. Okay? So, ang pattern natin ay cycle of 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang mga posible lamang na last digits ay 2, 4, 8, and 6. Now, what is the last digit of 2 raised to 2026? Ngayon, since cycle of 4, ang powers of 2, di-divide natin yung 2026 sa 4. So, 2026 divided by 4. Now, this is what? 5, 20. So, this is 2. So, this is 0. And the 6. So, this is 5, 26. So, 24. So, 2. 2 ang remainder niya. So, ibig sabihin, this is 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 506 plus the remainder 2. Now, we have 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 506 multiplied by 2 squared. Okay? Using the law of exponents. Now, anong ibig sabihin nito? Itong part na to, ibig sabihin, yung cycle of 4 na ulit ng 506 times. And then, babalik ka ng 2 squared. So, ibig sabihin, 1, 2. Ibig sabihin, the last digit of 2 raised to 2026 is the same as the last digit of 2 squared. And that is 4. Now, since the last digit of 2 raised to 2026 is 4, i-add na natin sa 14. Ilan yan? 4 plus 4, that is 8. And the last digit is 8.